Hello, welcome to this tutorial of the Elementi software. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to take a CSV file and parse its data into your Spinetics content in Elementi. I've already created a project named CSV, and I have a CSV slideshow.svg that I've taken from the library. Keep in mind you can use any one of these particular feed widgets: CSV slideshow, CSV table, CSV text bar, CSV text roll, or CSV text ticker. The CSV slideshow and CSV table can use media, so they can have pictures and video. The text bar, text roll, and text ticker are solely text. So for this instance, I'm going to use the CSV slideshow. Now what I need to do is create my spreadsheet. So I'm going to create a simple lunch menu. Item and price. Name my items, so I'll just go sandwich, steak, burger, and grilled cheese. And then I'll give these somewhat suitable prices. $5. I don't know, this is probably like 10. A burger's probably a good $7. And a grilled cheese, I'll make it 6. Alright, so we've created our spreadsheet. So now I'm going to save this. And now I'm going to save it directly in our project. So Spinetics, and it's either my projects or projects. Mine is under project, my projects, and CSV. And make sure you save this as a CSV MS-DOS. Click Save. You can click OK to this, and you can say yes to this. So now if I refresh this, we've got our CSV file. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double click the CSV slideshow.svg, and I need to change the data source. So I'm going to double click where this URL is, and I'm just going to put the path that the CSV file is, which is, it's in the root, so it's going to be book1.csv. Now if I had this on a Dropbox or some sort of web server, I could also point it to the HTTP address where that file is located. But since this one is locally on the player, I'm just going to type book1.csv because it's on the root. Keep the type URI, keep the parser as CSV, and you can click Test, and this will give you the parsed data and the source data. Click OK, and now our screen's going to go blank in the preview panel. This is fine. We just need to do one more step. The next step is to go to Layers. As you can see, you've got Title. So I'm actually going to edit this text. I double click the layer properties, edit text, and then I'm going to make this correspond to whichever one of these first rows of the column is. So if I want this to display all the information below item, I'm going to name it item. So that's what I'm going to do, item. Let me just double check to make sure I capitalized it. I did. Okay. So item, and now you can see sandwich appears. So if we also want to show the price, which we do, I'm going to right click in the white space of the editing panel, select Insert Text Layer. And you can also edit your text in the preview panel as well. And I'll type in price, and let's make this bigger. That's a little too big. That's still too big. That's fine. And then I'm going to move it over here. Click Save. And now it's parsing our information and placing it in the spaces that we said. And the item duration tells it which item to play, how long to play each item. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you next time.